aralin.
Backlog yan ng 5. Hindi na 10.
Papahiya ko lang ba sa ko?
Actually, 58 days before boards.
Hey guys, good morning. It's December 26, Friday. Mga 6 something na. And kakagising ko lang. Hindi makakagising. Kanya pa 5:30 gising. Pero kasi before I start my day, I make sure na nag-worship muna ako. After ko dito, ilalabas ko si Pretty. I will take a bath. Ganyan yung routine ko this past few weeks that I've been reviewing. Hindi ko biniviewhan din pala yung pag-worship ko kasi I take my time to have my private time with the Lord. Start na anatomy today up until next year, January 5, I think.
Hello guys, so it's Abby Jane. It's December 30 still. Bukas, December 31, naka-designate siya as rest day sa schedule namin. Pero syempre, hindi tayo mag-rest. Medyo mag-open up lang ako kasi sobrang hirap talaga ng anatomy. I really don't know kung paano to maipapasa. Talagang divine intervention. I really don't know kung paano ko to aaralin. So, it's so blurry. I don't know kung paano kasi ipapasa. Hindi ko talaga alam kung paano. Kasi hina ko talaga sa anatomy. Pero I still have to go through it. Study pa rin tayo. Kasi sayang naman last video na yung goal. Like, 4 kasi yung goal ko ngayon today na napanoorin ngayon. Pero 3 pa lang yung napapanood ko. So, isagad na natin, guys. Hi, guys. So, it's January 1, 2026. And yes, it's my birthday. Pero, hindi tayo sobrang magsa-celebrate ngayon. Actually, naka-celebrate naman na kami ng kahit konti kagabi. We only had few handa. Tapos, yun lang. And then ngayon kasi life has to go on. I still have a board exam to do. Mag-aaral pa rin tayo today. I am claiming here right now na lisensyado na tayo sa kaya wag kang panghinaan ng loob ngayon, Gia. Dapat hindi ka mapanghinaan ng loob ngayon. Kahit na hirap ka sa anatomy ngayon, wag kang...
Oo, mahirap yun.
Pero wag kang panghinaan. Kasi naghihintay na sa lisensya mo, kukuhanin mo na lang yan. January 11, and it's officially 70 days before boards. Philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do. Perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the writers and lovers? The writers and lovers. By the foreign ruins under July skies, heat of the moment into lovers' eyes. Marble on their sneakers, empires under dust. A pen in a diary, keeping what it was. Hi guys, so it's Abby Jane. Today is officially 60 days before boards. Sorry, ang ano ko, parang napaka-lumong-lumo ko. Well, it's true, lumong-lumo talaga ako today. Because today nag-midterms kami. Today lumabas din yung discussion, rationale. I checked mine. Tapos sabi ko, grabe. Ba't ganito? Basta habang sinecheckan ko siya, parang paiyak na ako, promise. Yun, medyo... hindi maganda yung nakuha nating score and nadi-discourage ako, promise. I did my best naman sa pag-aaral, lalo na ng anatomy. I really did my best to study all of those, but I don't know why ganun siya yung score ko. May parang feeling ko, ano ba tong totoo ba to? Like parang anong sinusubukan sabihin sa akin na to, na parang wala akong improvement or wala ba akong mga ganon. Ay,
Nadi-discourage ako na panghihina ng loob na parang naiiyak na ako kanina, promise. Hindi ko na lang titignan yung aking hindi ko na lang talaga titignan yung aking ranking siguro. 60 days na lang, boards na. Kaya ko ba? Kaya ko ba talaga? Like, ko talaga ma-imagine kung kakayanin ko to, guys. Kasi ang dami. Tapos, very high yield palagi yung mga tanong. Papahiya ko lang ba sarili ko or what? Anyway, tutulog na ako, gabi na rin. Biochem pa kami bukas. Move on na lang. Bye-bye.
Hi guys. Hi guys, it's Abby Jane. So it's already January 23 if I'm not wait lang. Yes, January 23 and it's officially 58 days before boards. And I know meron akong video kahapon, I think, na I didn't like my midterms, ganyan, like bagsak ako and all of those. And then lumabas na ngayon yung midterm. I'm glad to say naman na nakapasa pala ako. Natuwa ako kasi I really cried nung na yun, nung nakita, nung nag-check ako on my own kasi nga may ratio, 'di ba? Pero nung nakita ako sa portal, okay pala, like satisfactory naman pala yung aking ginawa. So, ayun, parang I feel motivated right now to study. I have 5 videos to watch.
Different pages, iterating through the ages, different tools, different fools, but nothing ever truly changes. Same roles, different actors, with spectators in the rafters. A tale as old as time, and now it's also mine. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do, perpetual running, always chasing love you.
Hi guys, so I know it's haggard talaga yung tsura ko ngayon kasi naghabol ako ng backlogs, guys. Already February 1st and it's officially 49 days before board. Bale, sobra akong naghabol ng backlogs. Supposedly, sa aming schedule ngayon, dapat nagsa-second read na ako ng physio, nag-PPTs na ako. Pero kasi, nung nakaraang araw, nasa QC ako. So, I really had a lot of backlogs. Hindi ako syempre nakaaral nung nasa QC ako kasi I had to get my good moral dun sa aking PGI hospital. So, what I did was improvised kung ano yung gagawin kong backlog strat, which is here. I listed it here. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung ginawa ko. Ang dami talaga. Like,
Ayoko pa man din ng feeling na meron akong hindi napapanood.
in this process of, sa pagre-review for boards, kailangan talaga din matuto ng ways para mag-work yung something according to what you need. Kasi sometimes, hindi siya mag-go accordingly to what you've planned or what you've scheduled already. You have to really be anticipating those kinds of happenings, especially during your review days. Like, anticipate and then improvise. Kasi ganun talaga yung ginawa ko. I really anticipated na I might not be able to study. It really felt uncomfortable for me na parang, shit, hindi ako makakaaral ng ilang oras at 5 videos, so hindi ko papanoorin. And then the next day, another 5 videos. So like, backlog yan ng 5. Hindi na 10. Hindi pa ako nakaka-file for board. Kasi hindi ko pa nakukuha yung TOR ko. I'm just gonna take a rest. I've been babbling here for like 9 minutes na. Ayun. Bye-bye.
Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the writers and lovers? The writers and lovers. Say it's love, it's power, it's nature, it's art. You do it for the story, oh you do it for the start.
Hi guys. So it's already February 13 and it's officially 37 days before boards. Bale, mag-aayam ako ngayon. Weekend na rin naman. So, all out na ako ngayon. Magpa-file na ako sa Monday. Tuloy na talaga yun. Magpa-file na ako sa Monday para hindi na ako mag-late or something. Mag-aaral lang ako today. Sobrang lapit na ng boards guys. Bye-bye.
Write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up putting our mothers. What would the world be without the writers and lovers?
already February 20. 2026 marks the, D30 before boards. And we're currently at the last subject for review. I finished early today because it's sunset na. Rest day na yun and I have to just prepare for Sabbath. Prepare na ako for Vespers for ships. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or I don't know kung kailan ko maisip. Bye-bye.
We met at a moment when my world was up in smoke and yours was all about the past and all you carried on your back. It was so heavy until you met me. We made up a language so our words can finally match with what we.
Hi guys, so it's already February 28. Bukas ay March na. So, that would only mean and sobrang palapit na talaga ng palapit ang boards, guys. Technically, tapos na kami sa lahat ng subject. Finals namin sa April 8. That will cover everything. Sige na, mag-aaral na ako. Dami kong ebas. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat po sa paayuda.
When I'm with you,
Maraming salamat po.
we can carry.
Hi guys, so it's March 10, 12 days before boards. As usual, nag-aaral tayo kasi kailangan natin maipasa itong boards. Nailabas na yung results ng final exam namin kagabi and I was really happy with the results. I know hindi pa naman yun yung mismong board exam, pero it kind of gave me the validation na dapat hindi ako mag-give up at this point, lalo na 12 days na. Yun lang naman yung update. I will study na kasi alas 9 na rin, so bye-bye.
Water, where I rest my running thoughts. I think you saved me.
There's gold there that needs to
Didn't even know my throat was so dry.
must reveal. That's found in ministry of
You
healing.
think so little of yourself, but lately if you saw the things I see in you, you'd know that there's.
So, hello guys. It's March 13 and we've officially entered the countdown wherein single digits na lang talaga, like nabibilang na sa daliri ng kamay kung ilang days na lang days before boards. It's actually 9 days 9 days before boards. Wala na talagang araw na hindi ako kinakabahan, but I'm still doing the best that I can in my situation kahit na kinakabahan ako. Anyway, bye bye.
Oh, when I'm with you, I'm ready for the ride.
Hello, so I am packing my things as early as now. Friday pa lang naman, March 20. Pero kasi inaayos ko na yung mga kailangan kong dalahin sa yung iba kong reviewers, nandun na sa isang maleta na malaki. Isang malaki yun para sa mga reviewers. Adami kasi talaga. Kasi yan.
Medyo full capacity tayo ngayong araw na to be.
Dito ko ilalagay most yung mga gamit ko. Kunti lang naman. 10 days lang naman ako mag-stay sa Manila.
Magkakape para
So, yun.
magdilat like tarsier.
Hi guys, so it's March 22. Technically bukas na and kakatapos ko lang mag-worship. And kakatapos ko lang mag-pray kaya ako umiyak. This is like my second time of, third time of praying na umiiyak ako during this season. Naiyak ako kasi thankful ako kay Lord. Thankful ako kay Lord kasi sobrang grabe yung provision niya sa akin during this season. Kasi kahit alam ko na may mga pagkukulang pa ako, may mga hindi ako nabasa, may mga hindi ako na second read, I know that His provision is enough for me to reach this point of my season for board review. Tells so much of what kind of God He is. Kasi sobrang hirap ng season na to, promise. Sobrang hirap niya na sobrang daling mag-give up along the way. But I've always asked God for strength, for everything that I need to surpass a day during this season. Naiiyak ako during prayer kasi sobrang thankful talaga ako kay Lord. At saka alam ko kasi na may pagkukulang pa ako, so
So, binigay ko na lang lahat yun kay Lord. Thankful ako kay Lord kasi sobrang thankful talaga ako kay Lord. At saka alam ko kasi na may pagkukulang pa ako. So, binigay ko na lang lahat yun kay Lord. At saka alam ko kasi na may pagkukulang pa ako. So, binigay ko na lang lahat yun kay Lord.
Siguro din naiyak na ako kasi kinakabahan ako.
Ayun. Ay. Hi guys. Yes, bukas na ang boards. And yes, nandito na ako sa condo or Airbnb na pagsistayan ko in the next 10 days of this season. Kasi sa doon ako sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay na assign. So, I just settled in. Hinatid ako ni na mami. Tapos, naligo na rin ako kasi nag-grocery kami kanina. And yun, I am actually studying right now. Some last few stretches before the actual boards. I will not vlog anything there. I'll just vlog when I get home and probably debrief myself. Hindi, may debriefing ako with my mentor tomorrow. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys. Good morning. It's already March 24. So, ibig sabihin, natapos ko na ang first day ng boards. Nakakapag-video kahapon kasi sobrang napagod ako. As in, like, literal, napagod talaga ako. Sumaka talaga yung ulo ko sa exam. I'm glad that I pushed through. Hirap talaga ng fisio. Nakaka-discourage yung fisio, pero sige, tuloy lang. Day 2 na tayo ngayon ng boards. Bale, ngayon ay nagpe-prepare lang ako ng aking ibabaon. I'm just gonna prepare myself for another giant kasi ang second day subjects ay anatomy, biochem, and micropara. So, alam nyo ba, sobrang higpit na ng PRC ngayon. Hindi na talaga kami pinapayagan na magdala ng phones and kahit anong bag except from dun sa transparent na bag. Just praying for the best today. Medyo mahirap din kasi mahirap din talaga kasi ang anatomy. So, I am praying for a kinder sets of question kasi sobrang nakakapanghina yung fisio kahapon. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila hinugot yung questions, promise. The other subjects kasi kahapon ang aming tinake ay fisio, legal med, tsaka patho. Mahirap din yung patho actually, pero if I'm going to compare it between fisio kahapon, mas answerable talaga yung patho. Anyway, bye-bye. Ligo na ako.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this seriously. And all of the times that we said.
Hi guys, so it's March 13 and aga akong lumabas kasi iwan ko na yung susi dun sa locker room. Kasi nga hindi na mag-check out. Tapos check out na ako ng mga kapatid ko. Kasi nga bawal naman ako sa parang humawak ng phone while the exam is ongoing. So they will have to check out for me. And then sabi na lang nung owner, iwan ko yung key dun sa locker rooms. And yun ang ginawa ko. Tapos ngayon, so dahil sobrang aga pa, I figured na lang ako. Breakfast muna ako sa Subway. Kasi, gutom na rin ni Pharma IMGS. Let's go. Here's our outfit. Last day outfit. Tayo babalik dito. Bye.
I'm starting to live in the moment while you're on cloud 9. Yeah, just take your time. And all of the matching tattoos, I thought we'd earn them. Shit, are these permanent? But things don't change, they stay the same. I've gotta go my own way. Yeah, things don't change. I've gotta do better than you for me. You're all about you. All of the things that you do, you're all
Hi guys, so gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na officially doktor na ako. Nakapasa na ako ng PRE. Shucks. Paulit-ulit talaga ako sa mga friends ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, sa hirap ng exam, divine intervention talaga to. Sobrang divine intervention talaga. So all throughout the board exam week, it was really more than a test of faith. Kasi talagang sobrang na-challenge lahat ng buong pagkatao ko during this board review season. Thank you so much, Lord, talaga for this kind of blessing. Officially, doktor na ako. Grabe, di pa rin ako makapaniwala. Doktor na ako. So, ayun, bye-bye.
More parties and gatherings, not just funerals. I wanna see my auntie out the cubicle, cause she been working down to the cuticle. The boss ain't working mutual and still won't pay a livable wage. Man, that shit'll have you sauced on the usual. The cost of the ritual is never have enough of your tank. I wanna have my time back, wanna work, fuck that. Wanna see the sunrise, wanna see the sunset. I just
So,
wanna
ito po ang ating makeup by
know we'll make it soon. I'm trying to find peace.
gawa niya para ako magmukhang 26.
I'm trying to be the man with the monocle. I'm trying to be Professor McGonagall on some real shit. Used to put my purpose in stacking, making a killing, till I realized that the realness isn't healing. Yeah, yeah. Living for the weekend, I don't wanna regret wasting my time. No. Hey, I've been on the deep end, fixing all my weakness, not trying to be blind. I heard them say, we all we got, we all we got, we all we got. I'm gonna remember that. We all we got, we all we got, we all we got. Hey, hey.
Hello.
This verse is for the love of my life, and at this time I like to make you my wife. So will you marry me? I hold you down through good, bad, and prosperity. I wanna build you up until they bury me. I'm talking planting seeds together to reach forever. So
Amidst the seeming controversies and innuendos attendant to this examination, let me assure our
Teacher, I laughed and I cried at the same time. But mostly I learned something. Sometimes the biggest obstacle isn't the exam, or the POC, or the curve. It's ourselves. Once I got past that, I was finally free. And that brings me to you.
So, pauwi na kami. Thank you, Lord. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Okay na, talagang gutom na. Yeah, ginutom kami ng oat-taking na.
Hi guys, so it's Abji, but this is getting unready with me because halos kakauwi ko lang from my oath-taking, I think an hour ago. So first and foremost, gusto ko muna pathankyuhan yung hair and makeup artist ko who did this masterpiece. Actually, the camera cannot do enough justice for what has been done. Pero promise, hindi pa talaga nahuhulas kahit yung eye makeup, ganyan. Tapos, parang I just don't want to take it off. Pero ayoko kasi, ayoko matulog ng my makeup. So, ayun. So, first and foremost, if you're new here in my channel, hi, I am Abby Jane. And I've been doing med school contents ever since first year med. My story is not really it's not really a secret to you guys. Yung mga nakita nyo naman dito sa YouTube channel ko, mostly yun talaga yung nangyari sa akin during med school. Nakita nyo rin sa vlog ko na hindi ko masyado na-vlog yung aking internship year, but nakita nyo I was matched sa East Avenue Medical Center. It was a very new experience to me because first time ko malayo ng ganong katagal sa aking family. Tapos a different city pa. And the most challenging thing for me was ako lang yung mag-isang AUP yan doon. So I really started there with blank slate. I never knew anyone. I really had to stand on my own. But I was thankful for the group that I got into kasi sobrang napakadali nilang kausapin, dali nilang approach, and eventually we became friends naman up until today. And then, natapos yung internship ko July 2025, but I didn't take the boards October 2025 because may Saturday na exam day yung October na yun. So, as you all know, I am a Seventh-day Adventist. I don't want to compromise my Sabbath for the exam. I cannot imagine, like for me I cannot imagine myself going through the process of review while having to worry my duty days. Parang siguro di ako makakatapos ng internship kapag ganyan. Nag-focus ako as in totally locked in ako noon during my boards review. Kasi alam niyo yung mindset ko noon, parang sayang kasi yung pinambayad sa akin for the review center. Second, parang pag na-imagine ko ang sarili ko na if I fail, then I'll have to go through this tedious process of review na naman. So like, parang hindi ko na kaya. So I really had to lock in. To be honest, I never had any kind of social media back then. I really deactivated all my social media accounts because I really want to focus Kasi talagang napakadali kong ma-distract, lalo na kung napapascroll na ako. Kaya alam niyo, sobrang hirap yung first week ko nang wala man ng TikTok. Kaya kong walang Facebook for a very long time, pero first time kong mawala ng TikTok ng ganung katagal during my review. And it was really a struggle. And thankful din naman ako kasi nagpasan natin siya, as in kakabalik ko lang sa TikTok. Like, I was very outdated with a lot of things, ganyan. And I really seldom go out or went out with my friends. That's just my preference kasi medyo ako extremist ako sa sarili ko. Parang I see that kind of leisure as a reward. Parang alam mo, parang medyo hard kasi ako sa sarili ko during my review. Minsan hindi ako natutuwa sa mga practice test scores ko, ganyan. So parang naisip ko I don't deserve anything good if I don't do well sa practice exams. So I never really met my friends. Minsan kahit paglalabas si na mami dito, nagpapaiwan na lang ako, ganyan. Ayun, so siguro in terms of choosing a review center, you really have to know what kind of learner you are since med school. Ako kasi nung med school, I really have to plan things ahead. Kung ano yung aaralin ko for that day, I really want it planned. So, ganun yung sa top notch nun. Ganun yung sa top notch na talagang they will give you a set of schedules. Napakarami. They will offer you multiple types of schedules and then they will just, tell you what you want to choose based on your liking or based on what is your preference. Ayun, it worked naman for me. Yung study hours ko, medyo nag-vary siya nung mga medyo padulong ha. Kasi after ng midterm namin sa review center, parang feeling ko parang bumaba yung motivation ko, parang sabi ko, I think there's something wrong. I just cannot pinpoint it that time. So parang sabi ko, ano kaya meron? Bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko? Tapos parang naapektuhan yung scores ko noon sa practice test. So I really had to get myself a mentor kasi parang feeling ko I wasn't enough, ganyan. Nakahat naman yung pagkuha ko ng mentor sa top notch. For study time talaga, I'm so sorry pero I really dedicated my whole day studying. 5:30 to 6 a.m. gumigising na ako kasi I have to worship muna. Ito pala yung binabasa kong devotional book every morning before I start my review. And actually natapos ko yung hanggang March. After I had my devotional, ilalakad ko na si Piti sa labas. So kasi parang recommended din talaga na you have to have a time for yourself for physical activity. Kasi syempre, ano bang ginagawa mo kung nag-review ka, nakaupo ka lang, di ba? So kailangan mabigyan ng time for activity. Lalakad ko lang si Pretty around the area para na rin makatae siya, makaihi, ganyan. And then maliligo, breakfast, and then start na ako ng grind. Ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. Then breaks na in between for lunch and dinner. And then study pa rin up until mga 10 to 11 p.m. And then sleep na. And then the cycle goes on. Yun yung cycle ko within the last 3 months of my review. And you know what guys, if you will be starting your review, it's not really required per se for you to have that kind of religious, and tedious talaga na review schedule. You have to know what works for you and what does not work for you as a student. Kasi hindi naman every time ibibigay ng review center mo yung hinahanap mo eh. Kasi kung ibibigay nila yung lahat ng hinahanap mo for boards, hindi na yung review, leakage na yun. Week ng boards as in, mas bumababa na yung motivation ko. Like I really found myself na parang nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko kung kaya ko ba talaga. But I still push through. Parang inisip ko na lang din talaga kung ano yung kayang gawin ni Lord sa buhay ko. Kasi guys, parang nandito na rin naman sa aking YouTube channel yung video ko about my my journey noong psychometration boards. And I thank God for that kind of experience kasi parang meron na akong history kung paano na ako hinawakan in the past. So, I just really pushed through kung kahit ano yung nararamdaman ko na doubts and fears and anxiety sa sarili ko. Kasi alam mo guys, pag nag-review kayo, hindi mawawala yan. Hindi mawawala na mapapaisip ka na hala, kaya ko ba talaga? Like, hala, may alam na ba ako? Or parang, hala, deserve ko ba talaga na nandito ako? Ganyan. May iba namang mas matalino sa akin, ganito, ganyan. Huwag ka mag-dwell sa ganong isip. Kasi, if you choose to dwell on those thinking, then, dun ka mahihirapan. Kasi, sobrang tindi ng emotional roller coaster mo during boards. You really have to deal with those kinds of emotion, but not to dwell on it. Kasi pag napektahan na ang iyong drive, ang iyong faith sa sarili mo, minsan kasi mas pinaniniwalaan natin yung negatives about ourselves more than the positive ones. So, always choose the positive, even though tingin mo sa sarili mo is napaka-imposible na bagay na to. Ako, during my review, I really had those kind of thoughts na parang, hala, possible ba talaga na maipasa ko to? Possible ba talaga na makagrow through ako dito? Minsan naisip ko rin na, talaga palang graduate na ako ng medicine, talaga palang ganito, ganyan. Like, naisip ko rin yung past ko during my med student years, like, I had to do remedials. Tapos naisip ko, nandito na ako, like, deserve ko ba talaga na nandito ako sa point na to? May mga ganong times ako noon. And I chose to not dwell on it because I chose to pray to God and to have faith in Him. Kasi, this kind of tests that I went through from my psychometration boards up until today, it's just a test of how you want something and actually do something to achieve it. Just like what I said in my previous video, parang yun yung tandaan ko lang. Kasi, napakadaling mapagod eh. Yung mga pag-aaral, kayang-kaya mong gawin yan. Kayang-kaya mong umupo ng ilang oras para mag-aral, pero para ma-maintain mo yung ganong motivation mo, para ma-maintain mo yung faithfulness mo sa pag-aaral and sa Panginoon, and yung discipline mo, para ma-maintain mo yung ganon. During this season, it's really difficult if you do it on yourself. That's why you have to surrender everything, every day to God before you study. Kailangan mong isurrender sa kanya lahat na hindi mo kaya mag-isa ang mga gantong bagay at na magagawa mo talaga ito through Him and Him alone lang. So, ito lang yung short kong wala na akong makeup guys. Balik tayo sa pagiging taong bahay. Yeah, I think this ends my my PLE plus oath-taking journey, and thank you guys for staying with me up until this point. Doktor na tayo guys. You have been a part of this journey ever since my first year med up until today na doktor na tayo. And sobrang nakakatuwa lang panoorin yung mga progress ko from first year up until fourth year and PGI, and then ngayon doktor na tayo, like yung mga minsan hindi pa naman makapaniwala na doktor na ako. Pero yun, ito na ang reality, doktor na tayo, and thank you so much guys for staying with me up until this point. Okay, so thank you and bye-bye.